Wildfire erupts to 500 acres, shuts down roadway in Miami-Dade County, Florida. A brush fire in Miami-Dade County, Florida, erupted to 500 acres and emitted smoke and ashes that shut down a roadway Sunday, according to authorities. Crews shut down Southwest 8th Street between 137th Avenue and Krome Avenue due to the blaze Sunday, reports the Miami Herald. Strong winds blowing out of the east along the southern periphery of high pressure anchored over the northeast U.S. are spurring the fire on, according to Weather.com meteorologist Chris Dolce. Winds have been gusting over 30 miles per hour frequently in the Miami area Sunday morning into early afternoon and are likely to continue in southern Florida through Monday. Sunday, Miami-Dade Fire Rescue raised their response to about 20 units to battle the blaze, the Herald also reports. Kyoto Garden was shut down at State Road A1A due to the blaze, according to the National Weather Service. According to NBC Miami, the blaze began near a canal and heavily wooded area. Flames are visible off of the Florida's Turnpike near Southwest 142nd Avenue and Southwest 8th Street. No injuries have been reported.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.